In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your WooCommerce My Account page to make it more functional, stylish, and aligned with your brand. Welcome Lakens to your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Customize My Account for WooCommerce. This is the C's Basics plugin we'll be using. Once you find it, click Install Now. Then activate to make it live on your site. Next, head to the Plugins settings. You will see new customization options appear. This is where the fun begins. Start by rearranging the tab layout. You can reorder sections like orders, downloads, and account details, making it easier for users to find what matters most. Then customize your icons. Add small visuals beside each tab to make navigation cleaner and more engaging. Choose icons that match your brand style for a polished look. You can also control endpoint visibility, which means deciding which tabs to show or hide. This helps remove clutter and keeps your account page focused on what's most useful for your customers. Finally, personalize the content inside each tab. Update the text, add helpful links, or include messages that make your customers feel valued. And that's it. You've just customized your WooCommerce My Account page into something that's both beautiful and user-friendly, all without touching a single line of code. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other WooCommerce tutorials.